Hello everyone, this is Wingknight8868 coming to you back with this Ratchet and Clank walkthrough slash playthrough. On the recent video, we turned around and rescued Skid Marks, got the mission from his agent, and now we are going to a new planet. We will be going to the logging site on Eudora. Here we go. Run by Fruity.
Yes, quite lovely. That should just about do it. Commander, we are finished with this world. Commence towing our planet to its next destination. Lieutenant! Yes, sir? You have fulfilled your tree quota. Barely. We are ready to return to base. Not so fast, Lieutenant. Just because we don't need any more trees doesn't mean they should have them. Destroy everything.
Want to be Italian boss looking ass dude. We are on planet Eudora. On this one, I will be trying to get everything. Oh, Louie Kaboomy. Now with these, they're kind of tricky because you have to do them a certain way. I don't like those puzzles with the hacker, but it's whatever. But it is important that you go this way. Now get out your swing shot. You're gonna need it. Whew. Now, might I add, this part is a little frustrating. But if you time your jumps right, you can be just fine. But, like I said, frustrating. Luckily that after you do the unlock, it stays unlocked. So it makes it a little bit easier for you. But it is very difficult, and with some of these wrench downs, once the screw is tightened down, it stays there. Oh boy. Like I said, some of these are tricky, but not undoable. They're just really frustrating to figure out. There we go. That is a lot of bolts. Bolts count as currency on this game. This dude crapped out an info bot.
You sure showed him. I suppose I did.
Is your current occupation leaving a rotten taste in your mouth? Then you need to know about BTS, Blog Tactical Research Station. Hi, I'm Supreme Executive Chairman Dredd. We here at BTS are seeking motivated individuals to fill positions in these exciting careers. Grind root tester, warhead assembly technician, mutant animal husbandry, robot sub-cannon test dummy, administrative assistant. So call BTS. Build our weapon while you build your future.
I'm calling BTS today.
Now we're talking.
Cheap plug.
See all the cool gadgets they're making? Let's go get some. No, we must continue our search for Captain Quark. You're absolutely right. I am. Sure, we need to find Quark. Although when we find him, wouldn't it be nice to be able to tell him where Chairman Drek is? I suppose. Well, we go to the space station and talk to the scientists. They work for Drek, so they're bound to know where he is. I am unsure
Logic.
about your logic. You think too much. Come on, let's go.
Oh boy. Now, like I said, there's a lot of breakables around here, so break them when you can. Gives you lots of bolts. Yeah, probably not my smartest move. When it comes to the blow-up stuff, just throw your wrench and it'll prevent you from getting kablooied. I just picked up nanotech. I'm playing on PS3, so L1 is to focus the camera angle. And what do you know? I'm back where I started.
I got some great bargains for you today.
I'm gonna pick up ammo, maxed out. Pick up ammo from my... Do a little more damage, and then I'll get that decoy glove, which actually comes in handy because it does little robots and stuff. I think not, sir. Ow, that must have hurt. I think not, sir. Okay, you can't access this area yet, but it's on the comeback when you go through the main course, which I'm heading to now. I do take requests for video games. If I have them, I will do walkthroughs and stuff. But I normally don't make a habit of it, but I do my best. Ooh, see, that's the stuff you need to not do. These guys are really irritating because they shoot lasers that can basically drop you with one hit. I usually just bomb glove them, or you can machine gun them depending on your weapon of preference for this game if you've played it. Me, I just like to go either bomb crazy or I go cap crazy. Like I said. Come on, dude. My mom's got better aim with a chunko when she's drunk. R1 and X will help you do that, the elevate jump. Or just go to the options and look that up, because sometimes that helps. Sorry if my camera's going in and out, I apologize. I'm still working on perfecting my pole arm, but... And that's one thing I didn't want to do. Luckily, there was a save point, so I don't have to do too much all over again. I want to again apologize if I've died a few times. I'm a little rusty. Sometimes you learn from your mistakes. The funny thing is, I wasn't even looking and I still capped him. Oh yeah, those guys need the bomb glove, always. What do you know? It's a suck cannon.
Sweet!
Gadgetron's suck cannon can vacuum up multiple enemies, then fire them out as high-caliber missiles. Caution, enemies must be small enough to fit inside the barrel.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Don't call me fuzzball. Oh yeah. Alright everybody, that is it for the planet Eudora. On our next video, we will be covering the Chairman Drex Gadget Factory. This is Wing Knight 8868 signing off. I will talk to y'all later.